Hi, I'm Dr. Sudhakara Reddy, exclusive dental implant specialist and a surgeon. Congenital missing teeth means a teeth missing from the time from the birth. It can be a developmental or a congenital disorders which usually affects 8% of the population. So the other reasons can be people who are having a cleft lip and palate or certain syndromes like Down syndrome, etc. Congenitally missing one or two teeth can be managed orthodontically at the early stages. Otherwise, dental implants offers the best solution in replacing a congenitally missing tooth. Dental implants are structurally a complete copy of a natural tooth root and able to form bonding with a natural bone. Once it bonds, it can support either an individual cap or a bridge, depends on the patient's need. Once you realize that you or your child has a permanent missing tooth from the birth, it's never too early to start discussing the options with your dentist. A dental implant specialist will be exactly able to determine the timeline for these kind of procedures.